Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I want to say again, come back to this agentic browser mode. This is a new way of browsing that internet. I'm sure every single browser will be agentic, something that you can actually take advantage of it. There is so many other things that we can do and so many other things we would like to do that I'll show you. I've shown you what ChatGPT Atlas is in my previous video. If you have not seen that, you can go there. You can download it right from the internet. It says ChatGPT Atlas, and you can currently download only for Mac. So I have it downloaded. I'm gonna do some sort of browser action here. Again, we have shown you how to create that agent mode, as well as where to personalize it, provide your own instruction, your own tones and such. Why don't we actually look for jobs in LinkedIn? Okay, create a spreadsheet, okay, and then find out the skill gaps that we may have. Of course, then afterward, I've shown you a few times, once you can do a matching comparison of the job description versus your resume and your LinkedIn profile, and then you can find out the skill gaps and understand the skills, rewrite that resume which is ATS friendly, and create a cover page and submit it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find the jobs that is appropriate. Let's say you're just graduating out of college, or you're in college in third year, fourth year. So we should be able to do that part. Let's see, we're gonna try it out. How does it work? Okay, so let's just jump right in. Why don't I go to LinkedIn again? You know that it's on top. You can type the URL. I'm just gonna go to linkedin.com. Okay, I'm already logged in, so you need to log into that LinkedIn as well to do these things, whatever your account is. On my right hand side, I'm gonna go to Ask ChatGPT, and then I will ask for something. I don't have to go to the jobs folder or anything. Okay, I'm gonna say find top, let's say 20 jobs in LinkedIn for entry level or as intern. These should be for still students or just recently graduated. Okay, let's focus on data science related jobs. Again, it could be anything, but I'm gonna do these things. I'm gonna just look for the data science jobs, related jobs. Once these jobs found, enter those into the Google sheet, which is open the other tab. Enter by job title, okay. Then I'm gonna say position, then I will say description, short description, not that it matters if you make mistakes, that's okay, it will fix it itself. Job title, position, short description, years of experience. Then what else should I ask for? Key skills, salary, city, and link for the job. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open up my Google Drive and let's just create a blank sheet. Okay, just gonna close this one, and I'm just gonna put it as such, nothing more. Again, I'm still at ChatGPT Atlas. I'm right here, and link for the job. Okay, so why don't I try to do that? Okay, so find top 20 jobs in LinkedIn for entry level as an intern. As you know, I've not written a really good prompt. If I'm doing this search properly, then I will definitely be working a little harder, write the right prompt and get this one. See, look at it. It's already doing the browser action. Is that right? So I'm just gonna continue doing that browser action. It took over my browser. It's getting started. It's reading the whole browser. This is the interesting part that I found out. Okay, first you see the gray one, which is when they're trying to understand, it pixelated and figure out which things are. Now it's gonna go to search. It will go to the job button. You just notice that it went to the job, not doing anything. It's doing it all by itself. It's actually searching for, let's see, data science intern, looks like. Okay, that's a good type, data science intern. However, it looks like the VP of Global CIO Advisory. That cannot be an intern position. Let me see what it does. Gathering job information. Oh, okay, it's gathering job information, experience. Okay, so it's going to the drop down menu. It should be checking on internship and entry level. It has done that. Fantastic. Did it take it off? Or okay, it's gonna choose those two. Let me see. Internship. Okay, as you can see that this is very interesting. Like, it knows the contextual component of each of the drop down, where to look for. And wow, I'm even thinking about few other things that I can do. I can go to some of the sites and find the information, start doing it. Okay, so one thing that you have noticed, it's using a bunch of reasoning model and iterating itself. Am I doing it right? It's thinking and it's repeating the action individually, and trying to figure that out, what it needs to do, and it's adjusting strategy. This is unbelievable. Okay, so attempting to resolve the overlay issues. Okay, trying to open a job listing. So it's gonna just open one job listing. It says intern, data management, summer intern. It does have an easy apply. I should have talked about, like, okay, only choose the one that for data, easy apply job. Summer 2026. There's some Dow Jones, $25 an hour. These are really good. I didn't even know that all these intern jobs are published here. There's quite a bit of them, actually. Looks like data science intern in the US, 5,658 of those. But some of them are wrong, as I noticed. There's some cybersecurity. It's actually looking for it. It's trying to find out top 20. I should have, we could have created an application, actually, mobile app that can find all these intern jobs. This is only for intern job, focusing on that, find those things out, and then get to that one. Again, I should have said that, first 20 that comes into your mind, or it comes in, or I should have put it in like a time bound. Maybe whatever was published in last 1 week or last 2 weeks. So these are the new ones, okay? Just so you know, this is not a paid version of LinkedIn. This is just the regular LinkedIn as well. People can reach out. These are my connection areas, whoever I'm connected with. Some of those I can see, people who you can reach out. Data science intern, I can see a lot of those things. Not sure if you have tried this out. I would highly recommend trying this out as well and see that action. build that list. And what I'm really interested in building that list and creating that Google Sheet so that I can take an action. See, this is how I typically do, and I'm sure some of you do. I'm going to look into a lot of those things. What is the right one for me? What is the wrong one? Trying to figure it out. These are all guess game, but I can put some logic in it so that I can get to that. So there's so many intern jobs in LinkedIn. I have to tell my son, as well as some other friends that I know, people should be doing this internship job. This is great. Some of the companies in New Jersey, I can focus on few other things to limit this. I'm gonna take over because I want to see if I take control. I stop it. Okay, stopping, and find those intern jobs within tri-state area. NY, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, and published within last 30 days. Okay, then create the Google Sheet as instructed before. Okay, so I'm on it. It took over. So now that I actually did that part of it, it didn't ask for taking over the browser anymore because of the fact that I'm within that session. Remember one thing, whenever you create a new session, you might actually have to give a permission one more time. So I'm carefully considering how to search for internship job in the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, even though there are 4 states. From the last 30 days, I'll need to set up Google Sheets in the same way before. It's a bit detailed, but I'm up for it. Okay, so this is gonna go to the city, state, or zip code. Okay. Let's see what it does in the city, state, and zip code. It also teaches one thing for us, how to search for it properly as well. While it's doing these things, I'll tell you one more thing. I was trying to get one of the person who is looking for a job, anyway, who has a PhD, who just finished a PhD, and they're looking for an applied scientist role. And when they were matching them up, a lot of time he's overqualified. I was just talking to him. I said, why didn't you do the job? He said, no, I was focusing on the studies. So I'll highly recommend, if you're really studying, you should still, if you want to be in the research area, do something in the research. If you actually want to get into the industry, start that intern job, do that search, and get into one of those things. When I worked for Amazon, it's very hard to find really good intern as well. Once we find them, they are very, very good. Anyway, so just wanted to say a tidbit, like, you might be a really good student, you are focusing on studies, but whenever you have your diversity, whenever you have a little bit further experience, that should be really important part. Okay, see, it changes the jobs within 25 miles, past month, show 745. Now, I don't have that 5,500 result. I have 745 result. Okay. Yeah, this is good. It takes a little extra time. That's what I find out. Sometimes you feel like that, it's taking a lot of time. I'm sure over time it will get more efficient. I want to finish this thing up because this would be a validation of you take action, you scrape the data, click the buttons. It's not automatic scraping, it's actually from the browser action items. Then create a data repository, let's say in this particular case Google Sheets, and continuously if you're doing it, and then afterward you can take action from there. For example, once the Google Sheet is made, then I can start looking at this, prioritize it, and maybe I can apply for a certain number of jobs, making sure this with the confidence score. You have seen my confidence score component, and I'm gonna talk about that confidence score one more time, because a lot of people would be looking for jobs anyway. So when it matches, the higher the confidence score, the job might look super attractive, but you might not even fit that role. Okay. They might pay a lot of money, and for the right person that might not be. So we need to figure out what is that confidence score, what does it mean, and such. I've gathered a few good tri-state data science internship like Imprint, United Healthcare, and Persephone, which is a city. Okay, some were posted more than 30 days ago, but it still might be valid. It can compile 20 jobs. Okay, it's trying to do that. Now it's going to the Google Sheets. It came to that Google Sheet, the one that I have created from its memory. There is no name for it. I'm gonna actually, next time I'll ask for name the spreadsheet intern job search. I'm not sure if at that moment it was taken over. Give me 1 second. It didn't do anything at that time. I didn't click the button take control either. So I was able to do multitasking. Even though I have my other screen open, I have not looked into this thing yet. This is very interesting because of the fact it can do the stuff, continue doing the stuff. Let me see. So I just need reviewing the job list. Okay, look at that. It provided the actually the headers: job title, position, short description, year of experience, key skills, salary, city, and the link of the job. Okay, so let's see how far it gets. One thing I should have told: if it is a remote job, talk about that remote job as well. Okay, so it thinks quite a bit though. So it's a lot of thinking. I have a feeling it's spending quite a bit of money and the tokens to build these things. See, the other one, the previous job was not that bad. This is analyzing all the data. So I have the data collected already. It's analyzing all the data, filling the sheet with jobs. Now, I've seen, hopefully you have all noticed that the data came into one, and it's copied and pasted all the data right here. And I have 20 of this internship job. Really good. A lot of those things are remote. Within that 25-mile area, it changed the name to Tri-State Data Science Intern Job, November 2025. Love this. Really love it. Making our life so easy. In fact, I'm going to ask my son and all his friends to apply for these jobs. So they might not be aware of these things. Think about how life is being easy. You can do that search, you can create these things, and I'm sure this is an agent. I can just build an agent out of it. And even though I was asking, name the spreadsheet intern job search, it gave a better name, Tri-State area. Now I want to create this a continuous, let me see what it says, agent which is run every Wednesday at 8 a.m. Eastern, and the results appended on top starting at row 2 with new 20 inserted in inserted rows. Okay, the reason I said that, okay, I want to continue to do that, and I would want to put a status on it. Can I do that? Okay, so I'm asking now. I want to create this a continuous agent which runs every Wednesday. I'm thinking through how to set up a continuous agent, okay, and to go through this process. I feel like this can be so much useful. There's a lot of things, maybe I need to look into my calendar and come up with something. We have seen how the calendar event was created. It was created today from an email, from an action. Oh, okay, so this actually did provide me a detail of how to do a lot of things. But I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm sure you guys had fun, and you can see this is gonna make our life super easy. So these are the new generation browsers. These browsers truly help you to do a lot of actions. There is so much more you can do. This is a very simple one, but these simple things which solves my problem, I can just run it and start working on other things. Maybe I have to watch a video. In fact, I wanted to take a certification exam or test or learn something different. Then it can run and I can come back to it and continue with these things. With that, I want to thank all of you for joining the second ChatGPT Atlas class, where we have done an action, built a scraped LinkedIn, found out the intern jobs within the 25-mile radius of tri-state area, learned how to do that, and pasted in a Google Sheet. So with that, I want to thank all of you again to listening to me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Do something positive, do something amazing, make yourself a better person, as well as, help each other. Thank you.